Hello guys, my name is Siddharth Varde and this is the another devlog of Unity Fundamentals 1. What we did here was we edited the main menu scene. So we added the button to select which level the player wants to load, and then there is also a button of continue play, so it would load the last level that player was playing. So let me show you the output. Right, so this is the main menu scene. I can quit or select the level, which level I want to select. Okay, so I forgot to edit the text, but it would load the level 2. So this is the level 2. Okay, and then let's say I am currently inside level 3 and I die. Okay, so I say main menu, and when I say continue, it would restart the level 3, the last level that I was playing. And let's say I do it in level 4, main menu, and then continue. I am inside level 4. Select level 1, and let's say I want to die and continue level 1. See? Okay. Yes. So this would load the level from the no, yes, this is the script that is on the level buttons, and this is the script that would save and load the level. So whenever we start a new level, it says okay, this is the last loaded level, and whenever we say continue, and it would say okay, get the data that we saved at the last time, and we would load that scene. So that yes, that is it. Thank you.